Hey guys, Running Kimono. So today's video, we're going to be looking at the 5 off of 30, pairing it with the 5 off of 25 on Saturday over at the Dollar General. The most advantageous day to go and do these deals is on Saturday the 25th, because when you can stack two savings, I mean, there's just bigger deals to be had and found. Couple rules again. Saturday the 25th is when you're going to find the biggest savings. If you're going to go before that, add an extra $5 to the basket, because you can't get both boosters to stack before the Saturday. You got to get to $30 of gain merch right on the nose. So even if you're at $29.99, you've missed it. It's got to be 30. So you really got to pay attention. I would recommend to bring a pad of paper and pen to write stuff down. And any issues you have at checkout, absolutely void them. The coupons will still stay on your store card. These are also Michigan prices. That's where I am located. And that 5 off of 15 receipt coupon is no longer available. So if you were hoping for that, that was the first 2 weeks of July. These deals are for a little bit more advanced or intermediate shoppers. If you're a newbie to this, I would recommend to pass. Unless you're a super student and you understand exactly what I'm talking about, it can be rather confusing, these sort of deals. But the more confusing it is, the bigger savings to be had and found. So that being said, and I would also recommend to use the Dollar General app to scan the items in the store. With the gain line, there's 100 different scents for things from original to Moonlight Bliss to the Hawaiian one. So you want to make sure that the item that you're grabbing, both the manufacturer and that 5 off of 30 are attaching. I will have a tutorial for this at the very end if you want to check it out. But this is absolutely instrumental in making sure that your deals work out perfectly. So you really got to put a bit of work into this. You can't go into the store blindly, because what might be scanning in my market or a certain price in my market might be completely different if you're in a different part of the US. And over on my Instagram page, guys, on Saturday, usually if there's any problems or hiccups, I'll put a message out there quickly. Last week, it was working flawlessly, the 2 stacks where you were getting $10 of savings. And it's just been a lot of fun shopping the last 2 weeks. And just to show you a photo of part of my receipt, of course, the Swiffer coupons from the P&G have since expired, so this won't be possible. We have one $2 digital for the Swiffer, but not the papers anymore. But as you can see where it says store coupon, the first two, 63 cents, 69 cents, that's how you know the stack is working. There was an extra stack because there's $1 off too when you buy the wet mops, but that's not part of it for these scenarios because the P&G coupon has since expired. But just to give you a quick example from last weekend, just to say, hey, it's working. These sort of pictures I will toss up on my Instagram. If you want to give me a follow, my Instagram account is linked in the notes. And before we dive into the deals, a lot of you have been asking about Pumpkin. How is he doing? So last night, he decided he wanted to do the matchups. He believes that I'm not getting you guys the biggest savings and that, I should probably retire. And I was shocked, and he typed them all up. I found them this morning, and he said the only thing he wanted in return, it wasn't cigarettes, but for you guys to give this video a quick thumbs up. So I told him I would ask you guys, and maybe you can let me know in the comments if Pumpkin did a good job with the matchups. I don't know if I should let my cat always do the matchups, but he said he was a lot better than me at everything, and he even did better hauls than me. So I don't know. It sounds like he still has a really bad attitude. Maybe you guys can let me know in the comments. Okay, guys, so deal number 1 is 100% digital. You need your 2 cornerstones, which is the 5 off of 30, along with the 5 off of 25, this one particularly for Saturday. And remember, all digital coupons are of a one-time use. So off of this board, we have some different detergent products for $6.95. And I'm going to go with the flings because they're so easy to store. It's just a bag of pods. So 2 of them at $6.95. And this one, for whatever reason, is attaching with the 2 digital, the freshwater sparkle, and the original as well. And these are the ones that it's attaching to. I'm going to let you guys know a little secret right now. That essential oil, which I've been very curious to try, it's not working with the 5 off of 30. Maybe you'll have better luck in the store, but I could not get it to attach. Now, again, off of this shopping list, we're going to grab fabric products. So like the dryer sheets, the fireworks, or the fabric softener. dealer's choice, and that is your choice. We have this little $2 one. I'm going to go with the fireworks because I just think they're such a great little product. And we have this $2 coupon. And we're also going to be grabbing 2 of these for $3.55. It is a Febreze fabric spray with the Gain scent. And then we're going to use this wonderful 3 off of 2 digital coupon to accompany for this deal. And the final item for our basket is one of these Swiffer duster kit with the Gain. So if you look at the bottom right-hand corner, there's a Gain logo, and that's the specific one you're looking for. So really pay attention in the store, guys. And just to show you a closer look, boom, there it is. And then we have this absolutely wonderful $2 coupon that this digital that we're going to use for this deal. Okay, guys, so taking a quick peek at the math here. 2 of the Gain flings, 26 count at $6.95 a pop is $13.90. 1 of the Gain fireworks at $6.95 again, $6.95. And then 2 of the Febreze fabric with the Gain, so those little spray bottles at $3.55 a pop is $7.10. And then 1 of the Swiffer with the Swiffer kit with the Gain scent is $4.50. So adding all of that wonderful merchandise up together, we have a total of $34.45. Immediately after the cashier scans the last item, you punch in your phone number right away, and then the 5 off of 25, 5 off of 30 are coming off, which are the Dollar General coupons, $11 of digital manufacturers that we showed you in the slides previous. So you're paying $11.45 out of pocket. This does not include your tax, and it shakes out each item to $1.90 each. This is not a bad deal, especially if you might have all the digital coupons that I showed you. And if you want to get a quick deal in, I mean, I don't think this is the worst thing. Okay, guys, so the next 2 deals, there's going to be a mix of paper and digitals. So we're going to need our 2 cornerstones, which is the 5 off of 30, along with the 5 off of 25. So we need those 2 to play. We're going to be grabbing 2 detergent products for $6.95. Along with 1 fabric softener products. So if what I'm selecting here isn't your thing, or if you want something completely different, remember to open your app, scan in the store to make sure that the coupons are attaching. But these are the digitals that you need, including the $2 for a fabric softener product, a $2 for a fling. So you need to grab at least 1 fling product, and the $2 off for either the detergent or fling. Now I'm going to let you know that essential oil one, which is quite mysterious, and that deep green bottle by Gain, it's not working with the 5 off of 30. I can't get it to attach, so I would forego that one completely because it might mess up your math a lot. And we're also going to be grabbing a bag of flings for $3.95. Now, if you remember in the July P&G, so you got to go back into the Wayback Machine there, there was this very generous $2 coupon. It has very strict verbiage where you can only use 1, but it works on the detergent 25 loads, and then it also works on the flings. So grabbing 1 of those and using 1 of these. Again, if you look at the verbiage of the coupon, if you want to grab something completely different, absolutely go for it. We're also grabbing 1 of the Swiffer duster kits with the Gain scent in it. And again, we're grabbing this specific one. And then you need this little $2 digital loaded to your store card. And expires on Saturday, so use it or lose it. And then we're grabbing 1 of the dish soaps, and then we're going to have this little 50 center to accompany that. Okay, guys, let's take a quick look at the mathematics here for this deal. So we're grabbing 3 Gain products. Please make sure that you grab at least 1 fling and 1 fabric softener product, and scan in the store at $6.95. That's $20.85 for 3 of those products. 1 bag of the Gain flings for $3.95, 1 Swiffer with Gain kit for $4.50, 1 Gain dish soap for $2. Adding all of that up together, you have a total of $31.30. At this point, you're handing over 1 $2 coupon from the July P&G for your $3.95 flings. And then immediately after, you punch in your phone number. So the cashier scans that. Right after that, you punch in your phone number. 5 off of 25 and the 5 off of 30 Dollar General coupons are coming off, along with $8.50 of digital manufacturers. You're left with paying $10.80 out of pocket for the 6, or $1.80 per product. So right here, this is quite a fantastic deal, utilizing your digital coupons with this offer, and it's just really balancing out really nicely. Okay, the next deal that we're looking at again is with paper coupons and digitals. Okay guys, so we're going to need our 2 cornerstones, which is the 5 off of 30 along with the 5 off of 25. So these 2 coupons. And we're going to be grabbing 6 of these febreze with the Gain Scent, the fabric sprays for $3.55. So 6 of them. We're going to go kind of crazy with that. We're going to utilize 2 of these from the July P&G, which is a buy one, get one free. Now, this is a goofy coupon over at the Dollar General. So what you're going to have to do, so this is if your store is friendly, if they're going to be all about, no, this is not a deal for you, get the cashier to scan 2 of your Febreze products, present a coupon. 2 of your Febreze products, present a coupon. And it's not going to affect the balance of your math because the math does not aggregate until the very end. The max value of what will come off for this is exactly $3. And if you don't do that jog of 2 products, 1 coupon, essentially one of them will beep. Only one will scan, and you will figure that out really quickly. So you have to use that weird method. You also need this, which is the 3 off of 2 loaded. So we're going to use this. So we're grabbing 6 products and we have 3 coupons that are basically like a 3 off of 2. And then we're also going to be grabbing one of the Gain products for $6.95 because we have a very wonderful $2 coupon that's attaching. So why not? And then we're also going to grab as the final item a Gain dish soap for $2. And then we have this wonderful coupon for 50 cents off. Okay, guys, let's take a quick look at the mathematics for this one. 6 of the Febreze with Gain products is $3.55 each. So for 6 of them, that's $21.30. 1 Gain fireworks for $6.85, and then 1 Gain dish soap for $2. So that right there is a total of $30.15 if you add all of it up together. Remember, when the cashier is scanning your products, he or she scans 2 of the Febreze products, you present a coupon, 2 Febreze products, present a coupon, and then scan the rest. So after the last item is scanned, you punch in your phone number. 5 off of 25 and the 5 off of 30 are coming off, along with $5.50 of digital manufacturer coupon. You're left with paying $8.65 for the 8 items, shaking each item out to $1.08 each. A little bit of horsing around, but as you can see, this one has the absolute biggest savings. So if you're not comfortable with that jog of 2 items a coupon, 2 items a coupon, forgo this one. There's obviously better deals that you can do at the front of the video, but if your store will allow that, and that's how the coupons will get scanned, because anytime you have a buy one, get one free, or like say a 3 off of 2, it always gets choked up with their registers. As always, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.